Rightio, lads. Oh, little flatted.
Flatty.
Little flatty.
3 metre flatty.
First fish of the day.
Holy moly, be careful, you do not have to drag. She's taking line. I'm calling snapper.
What the heck? I'm running out of line, bro. Snap clean line with that.
Don't tighten your drag too much. You're gonna have to let it run.
Don't let it snap. Don't let it snap.
No, you're good. You still got a bit
No,
of line.
it's going under the anchor. It's taking the anchor.
You got this, Vinny? I reckon it's a nice snap. But look at the bend in that rod. It's gonna snap.
Let it go.
Let go of your line. Don't hold your line like that. Too much pressure.
It's an egg, right?
Oh,
No,
it
it's
could
not.
be. It could be. But I don't reckon. Head shaking.
Feels different.
Just let it go.
Yeah, don't
Snap your bloody line.
hold your line like that, because if it head shakes, it'll snap it. Tighten it a little bit maybe, so you can try and get some back.
Oh, the reel's buggering.
Yeah, right.
I chuck the GoPro on my head.
Keep winding, keep winding. Imagine a big G.
It's definitely not.
Just get the other lines up.
Harvey, do you want to run my big one up? Yeah, so good. Just wind my big rod up. Just drop it. Oh, she's a good fish, mate.
Bends too much.
T-Rex. Put your bet, bro.
I can't get it up.
Oh, has it pulled you into a snag?
I'm pretty sure it has.
Is there tension? Hell. It snapped. Oh, you can see it. Oh, it's an eagle ray. Eagie. Yep, big ass eagle ray. That's massive. Look at it. Come to the front of the boat. It's an eagle ray. I said you would need it. Sit on the bottom.
There it is there.
No wonder it was bloody hard to pull up on that rod.
It just
Why did it have to go on that rod out of all of the rods?
It just sat on the bottom and just didn't let us.
How did I hook it on this thing? Holy shit. How much that bent?
How did it just stay on the bloody bottom?
That line's good line, isn't he?
Yeah, actual. Couldn't even snap it. Took that long to
You know
snap.
that's only like 6 kilo line. Like no joke. It's on, lads.
Yep, she's a whiting. Oh no.
A flatty. That's bigger though, that's bigger.
It's getting bigger.
Getting bigger, hopefully.
Get a size one.
Yeah, actual. That'd be good.
Oh, she got off. Thank God for that.
Just grab that rag.
Look at the little fella. It's over here. We had it over here. Before.
That was good, you guys. You should have seen the head shakes this thing had.
It's not off. No.
Should we get the net?
Oh!
Oh, I think I'm on.
That is a fat whiting, bro.
Holy moly! Trashy!
Let's measure this. Oh, I don't know. You on? Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah. Got him. Yeah, neither. She's over it.
37.
You. On. Just a whiting. Oh, double header. It's
Double
two
header.
silver whiting.
Yo, lads, look at that. Look
Nice.
at that. Oh, look at that in. They're both too small.
Uh-huh. That'll be size.
Oh, when you're recording. No way.
Yep, Crispy's on.
That's big.
Oh, that's an actual whiting.
That's 23 centimeters.
Drop him in.
How do you feel a fish on that?
You. Fish everywhere.
Oh,
Right.
I think I lost
Mitch.
it.
Oh.
No, you didn't. Yeah, I lost it.
Yeah, nice silver whiting. Whiting down here. Oh, that's a sandy,
It is,
That's
Alrighty, get back into it.
Jeez, I'm getting bites.
Oh, you on?
No. Getting bites.
Everything happens, there's bites everywhere.
Yeah. Yo. Lads, Dad's is on. Oh, none of them look big. Rightio lads, we are moving spots. We're going to go to a spot a bit closer where we were the other day. And yeah, hopefully we can catch some more whiting or something a bit better than we've been catching. And we'll see you there. Yo. Boys, Jurassic's on here.
This is a good one.
This is a good one, lads.
Really not.
Oh, 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 get it in. Get that in. Get that in.
Hang on.
I got it.
Yo, that's bigger than the other one, I swear.
So good. That's massive. That is fat.
What the heck?
Bro.
Look at that.
Hold up, before we
Rightio lads, we are going to move spots again. We're going to move in further a bit more. It's a good spot here. Got a couple little whiting and that massive one that Jane got. It was 42 centimetres, so it's a good size. And yeah.
my hand can't fit.
Dad's just hand reeling them up, lads. I put another rig, like a big rig on that one, and another big rig. I'm just going for big fellas today. But Dad has pulled up two little whiting, well not little, but like good sized whiting on his hand line. So yeah.
Alrighty guys, we just got the 2 rods in the water. We're just trolling our metal lures for the couple snook because we weren't having any luck on the big rods or any luck getting any more whiting. So yeah, and we'll get back to you when we get one. Yo! Alrighty guys, hooked up to a little red mullet, which means should be some whiting down there.
Look how nice that was.
They normally hang out with whiting and that.
And yeah, haven't had much success this morning. Caught a whole lot of nothing this morning. Been sitting around here for ages and caught nothing. So yeah, good to get our first fish, but not what we're kind of wanting. But yeah, take what we can get. You. Gonna release this little fella. Come on, get swimming, mate. Get swimming, mate. Come on, mate. Get swimming. There he is. There we go. He's swimming back down now. Yeah, but he's shotting down there. Rightio, Dad's on. He's not really sure what it is. I'm pretty sure it'll probably be a whiting. Still can't see because it's pretty deep here.
Whiting, yep.
Yep. Oh, that's like good size whiting. Good like 34 centimetres or something probably. It's a nice size. You
guys, Mitchell's got one. Nice one.
Oh, yo, good head shakes, eh?
Nice whiting. Reckon?
Look at that, good head shakes. Oh, jeez, look,
Time him up. Oh, nice whiting, Mitch.
Nice one, mate.
Oh.
Phew.
Yeah. Jaden's got one as well.
He got off.
Oh, and it got off.
That's okay. I don't know for the size of it.
He's got a nice one, he reckons, lads. This is a good fight here, lads. Oh, good one. Yes! Oh, no, bring it back in! Yo, that's another good, that's another stomper. That That one's another stomper, eh? Nice Rusty dog. Yo, hooking up finally. Go boys, 3 in the bucket, let's go. Hopefully we can get some more. Yo.
Mini boys on.
Doesn't feel huge.
Nice
Feels
little,
alright though.
nice little whiting, yep. Well, she's not bad.
Gonna struggle for size, but
Yo. Oh, straight in the bucket. Crispy's on, he's got one. Nice size.
He's alright, a bit of a fight.
Oh, not even that big.
yeah, slowly
Not
one.
massive.
Oh,
He's alright.
Yeah. Jeez. Righty, lads.
Mitch is on, he's just got this theory where he sits on the chair and instantly hooks up and it's working. Don't know how.
Oh, they're getting a little bit little, but
Yeah, that's what you get for the
still alright
smaller.
size.
That's what you get for sitting down, putting no effort into it. The little ones. Yeah, we'll get back to when we get another
Size
one.
it
Yo.
Rightio, lads.
Nothing.
Nothing huge here, but
I think it did drop.
I think he dropped it.
Yeah, I just did.
Yeah, he dropped it.
Yeah. It's definitely not big.
Nothing big, I don't think, but still. Look what it is.
Oh, little tiny.
Tiny little fish. A sweep looking sort of fish. You haven't got a lot of bite. Oh, well, I just got a bite then. I'm just gonna clean the lens. Haven't got a bite, couple bites for a while. Well, a fish for a while, like good 3 minutes, but yeah, hopefully they're still sticking around. You trying to get up, guys, and I was like, and I had a fish.
I think you foul hooked him. No, you got him. Oh, nice. Reckon he'll cut the chase.
Unlucky fish, lucky fishing.
Oh,
You not getting a heap of big ones lately, just getting a couple little ones, but
smallies.
still feed.
Get us food. Rightio, lads, we're at a new spot here, and
That's a oh no, it's not. Damn it.
another small little whiting. But I guess that's something. And yeah, wish us luck. Our rods are in. We're just chilling, and yeah. You. Got the cleaning bag out to clean the fish. Easy does it. Makes the life a whole lot easier for you. Rightio, lads, just put in the scaling bag that came out absolutely beautiful here. Look at that, the skin's nice and soft, got every little scale off. Better than I can do with a scaler. Pretty good, love the old scaling bags.
Wait, this is
Like and subscribe.
how did this?
Rightio, lads, that is going to probably be the end of the video for day 2. Day 1 was probably more successful than day 2, but yeah, we tried to get some nannies, bit unsuccessful. Jaden was getting a bit seasick, spewed, but yeah, that's alright. Ended up alright. It was 6 whiting or something. Chucked them in the bag and scoured them. They came out nicely, and yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, comment whiting if you watched this far in the video. You. See you, lads. You.